PhotoFlux AI is revolutionizing the way we approach virtual try-ons. And in this review, I'll share the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. If you're curious about how PhotoFlux AI can transform your online shopping or business, stick around because this is the ultimate guide. And, by the way, you can try this software completely free from the first link below. Let's jump right into what makes PhotoFlux AI stand out in the crowded world of virtual try-on technology. First up, PhotoFlux AI is designed to create incredibly realistic virtual try-ons for both fashion and accessories. Whether you're in e-commerce, fashion retail, or even a startup, this software allows users to try on clothes, shoes, and accessories virtually, all powered by cutting-edge AI. But it doesn't stop there. The technology is engineered to seamlessly integrate into your website, offering a smoother shopping experience that keeps your customers engaged longer. What makes this virtual try-on solution different from others is its advanced machine learning algorithms. PhotoFlux AI uses deep learning to accurately map your body measurements, ensuring a perfect fit every time. It's a huge game changer for anyone who struggled with finding the right size when shopping online, making it easier for customers to confidently make purchases. One of the most impressive features is the high level of customization PhotoFlux AI offers. You're not just stuck with basic static images. The software allows for dynamic, real-time fitting where users can adjust how they wear items. This is ideal for apparel brands, as it gives them more control over how their products are displayed to potential customers. Another great feature, the software works across multiple devices. Whether you're on mobile, desktop, or tablet, PhotoFlux AI delivers an optimized experience for all platforms. This means your customers will have access to virtual try-ons no matter where they are, which is perfect for the increasing number of mobile shoppers. A key selling point for businesses is the seamless integration with existing e-commerce platforms. Whether you're running Shopify, WooCommerce, or even custom solutions, PhotoFlux AI works effortlessly with your store, enabling you to implement virtual try-ons with minimal setup. It's a huge time saver, especially for those of us in digital marketing who know how complicated integrations can sometimes be. Let's talk performance. PhotoFlux AI offers a fast, responsive user interface. The technology is designed to process images and deliver results in real time, meaning there's no frustrating lag or delay when trying on items. Plus, its accuracy is near perfect, thanks to constant updates and improvements in the AI algorithms. Customers will experience a more lifelike and engaging experience, which ultimately leads to higher conversion rates. Finally, PhotoFlux AI isn't just for large brands. If you're a small business or a startup looking to level up your e-commerce game, PhotoFlux offers flexible pricing plans that make it accessible for companies of all sizes. This is a great way to offer top-tier AI-powered shopping experiences without breaking the bank. Now to recap, PhotoFlux AI delivers an easy-to-use, highly effective virtual try-on experience with dynamic fitting, cross-platform support, and seamless integration into e-commerce platforms. It's backed by powerful AI technology that ensures accuracy and real-time results, making it a must-have for online retailers. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can try this software completely free from the first link in the description. Plus, if you're interested in more AI tools that can transform your business, I've listed my top recommendations in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI softwares, so these are the best of the best, guaranteed to make your business run smoother and smarter. Check them out and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.